Working on a 2022 Ram 1500 5.7 with the e-torque. Was having started off as a light whine from up under the hood, but got louder as time went on. Was thinking it was one of the tensioners, but I didn't see any play or any sounds when I took the serpentine belt off. The bearing in this has went bad. I mean, it's done got real loud and grinding. And to kind of simulate that, you can take a 24, kind of start that off slow. Get it up to speed and slide it off. The bearing in that has went bad. So the dealer just quoted us $3,000 for one of these. You can get them used for about $1,500. There's procedures online on how to open this thing up, press the pulley off, take the bearing off, and put a new bearing on.